Hello, my name is Elena. I'm making replacement for lost earring for my sister-in-law. Hi Margaret, and a pair of earrings for my Etsy shop. I have decided to keep video of all 3 earrings just because I made a few mistakes, and I would like to share with you how to rectify such mistakes. So stay to the end and hopefully you will find it useful. For the earrings I use 10mm red agate beads, freshwater pearls, gold-plated ball headpins and 4mm jump rings. I use this beautiful patterned earring wire. We bend the pin under 90 degrees, cut it just under this centimeter for a simple loop. I can't see very well my work as camera right in front of me. And as you can see here, I started to roll the loop in the wrong angle. It is useful to do your loop in few stages, as you can assess if everything going to plan. In my case, it obviously didn't. So I just have to carefully straighten the wire and continue with my loop. I have to use the chain nose pliers for this. So all is well. And voila, perfect loop. I will put it aside for Margaret's earrings. Now we assemble the earring. We use 4mm jump rings as a decorative feature here. I quite like this effect. Now, as before, we bend our pin at 90 degrees using chain nose pliers. When we're cutting, we need to make sure we hold the end of the pin to prevent it flying away with force. Safety first, especially we need to prevent eye injury. Here it is, nurse needle coming out. I secure the earring dangle with my fingers to prevent a gap between the top bead and the loop, which I'm going to form. This time my loop is more straight. Still a bit of straightening needed. I decide to open my loop to prepare it for attaching to ear wire, and will put it aside for now. Now we form another dangle same way as previous one. I have here gold-plated stainless steel pins, probably 0.7mm in diameter, and the wire is quite hard. Therefore, a simple loop is perfectly sufficient in this case. However, if you use soft metal and thinner pins, for instance, copper or sterling silver pins, you may need to do wrapped loop to ensure that loop is secure. But in my case, stainless steel wire form very secure and sturdy loop, so I don't need wrapped loop. We will attach dangle to ear wire. The loop is open and I just hang it like that. But we need to close the loop flush to prevent the dangle slipping out. I use my chain nose plier and gently closing the loop by moving it side to side and also applying gentle pressure in the direction I needed to go. This ear wire shape needs adjusting as the end is too close to the loop. Again, by gentle side-to-side movement, I pull it to make it wider so it can be worn. The ear wire loop is closed on this ear wire. If you remember, we left the loop on previous dangle open, so we now thread it into this closed loop and we'll close the loop on the dangle. We have to make sure it is closed well with no gaps. Here are the complete pair of the earrings. Thank you for watching.